It's that time again, guys, talking about SignalPeak. Over 100 crypto signal groups, premium, real-time, forwarded to one channel with one payment, one service. Guys, I love SignalPeak, and that's why I bring out a video maybe 3 times a day. Of course, there is a link down below where I'm going to make a tiny bit of commission, but you're going to save $100 on the lifetime fee. But I also do it because I generally want the community on here, my community, to be winning. So let's go into what I'm talking about. All right, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only, guys, but you can see in the SignalPeak group, huge results always popping in. Okay, you can get started for free right now, guys. All right, free day, free trial, and then instead of paying $350 for the lifetime fee, you can simply pay $250 with my link down below. All right, then you can get your affiliate link just like I have. Everybody is welcome. I'm not special, but guys, I want to show you a group that I've been using recently. It's been making me crazy gains. Okay, and this is the Crypto Inner Circle VIP. Now, guys, this is a really cool group because what I like is they actually don't just send signals, they send signals plus highlight areas where they think, and obviously everything is an educated guess, do not just put all your life savings into this, where they presume or think with the expertise that that's where the price is going to move to. So you can see here some of the results, okay, 10%, 23%, and further on, guys. So if we actually go to one of the signals, you can see what it looks like. It looks like this. They tell you the markup first, which I love. They give you the tokens, so YFI to USDT. It's a long, that's the direction. The coin, the type, the leverage, the capital that you need to risk, 3%, the entry, and then they tell you where you're going to have your stop loss and your take profits. These two are important. If you follow exactly what they say, you will get the results that they show, which is absolutely incredible, 215%. All right. Plus more, you can go all the way through these guys and see some crazy results. And that's why this is my favorite for the time. They also give you part-time analysis. What I mean is when a trade is on, like a swing trade, okay? Swing trades are ones that take a long time. They'll give you part-time analysis where it says up 11% right now. So if you decide you want to close that out, it's completely within your right. So guys, it is SignalPeak. What I want to do for you is show you exactly how you can take one of these signals. So let's go into, for example, a Glassnode daily. All right, I'm going to go to the bottom and I'm actually going to show you how to take one of these signals. So trading signal here, you can see it's SXP to BTC. So I'm going to go over to my trading view. Okay, I'm going to put this in here. Okay, and I'm going to choose this token. And not only can you see how to take the signal, but also this is going to show you if you want to confirm the signal. So we know that that's the token. The next thing that it tells us is that this is a sell. How crazy that a signal just came up as we were speaking. This is a sell, all right, at 0.0000396, which is, guys, if we have a look, exactly at this point. So they're asking us to sell at the top of this candle. Okay, so if we mark this off right now, they said to us to sell short position at the top of this candle here. Okay. And they asked us to sell to when? Let's have a look. So they're saying sell, guys, and they're saying for this candle. Okay. That's what Glassnode Daily does. It says to sell. It doesn't have a point to hit. It just has a 4-hour candle. So it's always a 4-hour trade. So if we actually mark this up already, guys, if you decided to take this sell, you would have been in profit, okay? You would have been in this much profit here. Now, it has gone back up and retracted, so this is why I'm saying it's up to you. If you decide, okay, let me just put this here. If you decide that you want to take all of this profit, see where that is right now, okay? All of this profit, you would have already have made from the point to here, you'd already have made 4% gain. 4%, guys, all right? Now, if you decide that you wanted to wait it out until the end of the candle, and it does reach, say, engulfing that candle, you could be looking at about an 8 to 7%. So my point to this is, guys, is completely up to you. But as you can see, exactly what they said did happen. All right, they sold the 4-hour candle, but it does not mean you have to wait 4 hours. Take profit. This is nearly at the end. I would have took that profit. All you got to do is hit that link down below to get involved in this. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, the bell, be notified, guys. Get that discounted link down below, and I'll see you there.